I study in class 12 and I am a student of plus 2 high school Sarma. Today, it is my pleasure to stand here and to share my thought on the topic, the India of my dream. I invite you all to travel with me, not to the India we see, but to the India I dream. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine an India where truth walks freely and equality shines brightly to every door. Yes, that is the India of my dream. The land of my dream is a nation where the timeless value of Mahatma Gandhi harmoniously blend with the land, where the moral strength and the technological development walk in hand, creating a nation which is both innovative and ethnic. The India of my dream is inspired by Gandhiji's vision of India, which were rooted in Satya, truth, ahimsa, non-violence, Swadeshi, self-reliance, and Sarvodaya, the welfare of all. In my dream India, every eye carry a dream and every heart holds the hope. And India, which will become again a nation, which is called Vishwaguru. Vishwaguru, that means a light which guiding the whole world. In my India, the nation is worshipped as mother, and the river and every river and forest and tree, everyone is respected as human, where the equality is seen on the ground, not just on the paper. I want India to be scientifically advanced, culturally strong, and agriculturally strong. I shall work for an India where the tourists shall feel that it is their country, in which they shall work for their welfare, and India where all community live together with harmony and perfect resilience, where there is no wall of unequality based on caste, creed and religion. There is only the bridges of love and brotherhood. So, the India of my dream is not just a picture printed in word. It is a action written. It is a promise written in action. I will have complete the dream which I have seen. Our freedom fighter has given us independence. So it's our right to give India her true destiny. So the change will not come when we will